Nagaland Chief Minister says that three anti-tribal bills passed by Manipur Assembly is to consolidate support from the Valley people. MLA Biren reiterates that any attempt to disintegrate Manipur will be challenged firmly without any hesitation. And MLA Bohalbi expresses grave concern at Manipur Public Service Commission inviting applications from any Indian citizen. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang today stated that the three anti-tribal bills passed in the Manipur State Assembly by Chief Minister Okrami Bobby Singh-led government is to garner support of Valley people in the upcoming state general elections. Speaking at the inauguration of the biggest Naga seed sowing festival, Luingai Ni at Tangkul Naga Long Ground in Ukhrul, T.R. Zeliang added that the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and the NAC&IM will herald a new era of the Nagas. And if the Naga do not protect the unique identity themselves, major communities will never recognize the Nagas. T.R. Zeliang also unveiled a monolith erected in connection with the festival. Cultural extravaganza, traditional dances and songs are the main highlights of the festival. Nagaland Home Minister Y. Patent, Minister for Roads and Bridges, Y. V.K. Hosu, three ministers, three MLAs from Manipur, Major General IZAR South and various Naga leaders and general public attended the inauguration of the festival.
Why should Naga legislators in Manipur continue to support such government is a question lingering in my mind. It is unfortunate that some of our Naga leaders still prefer the comforts of the chair at the cost of Naga unity. It is the expressed desire of the Nagas to have integration of all contiguous Naga inhabited areas and live under one administrative dispensation. Let the respect tribal bodies of Nagaland, Manipur, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh meet together and think of organizing a common Naga festival with appropriate name to show oneness of the Naga of this world.
Meanwhile, Emily Nongthombam Biren today warned that any attempt to disintegrate Manipur will be challenged without any hesitation. Speaking at a discussion program on the present issues in Kendra development held at residence of MLA R.K. Anand at Kwakatela Kamlekai, MLA Biren termed the invitation of chief ministers of neighboring states rather than the chief minister of the state Manipur in the Luingai Ni festival is unfortunate. People in the hill must not forget that if security of the hill people arises, it is not the responsibility of the neighboring states but the Manipur government. MLA Biren also lauded the bold statement of Health and Family Welfare Minister Punjantang Tonsing when he said that funds meant for hills are not misappropriated by valley dwellers and the three bills passed in the assembly are not anti-tribal bill at all. MLA Biren also added that any leaders who are trying to create unnecessary tension among the communities must be wiped out, and if there is a good leaders in the hills, the mistrust between the hills and the valley can be resolved in no time.
Manipur ki any Vaishno, any political party Vaishno, any government Vaishno, Laishu Vaishno. Manipur ki praja ki interest ki wang mada, aduga Manipur state miyam ki mayok ka taura aba. Mado aigi ipa warsu aigi ima warsu kaina raga laiba ki tamta koi lep na bai koi kar sem sarga lai. Lalau ba lai riba group suspension of operation da oiro amada oiro lai riba lalau ba singduna pamba candidate tu da moi thagalai. Aseng ba praja na khallaga thagat pa mihut sama gi manungda Tara suna phangba wari adunani assembly da sarkar da policy ama program ama tawba matamda laibak si goi apunba gi oina yam clear oina satpa ngamdri se masigi pot kar krak phari decision ama lamda da su hangba taba decision ama lauram da su hangba taba punama punate khara.
Addressing the gathering, MLA R.K. Anand said it is our responsibility to safeguard the territorial boundary of Manipur. June 18 incident was triggered by the insensitivity of the then NDA government in the center, who tried to appease NAC&IM without understanding the emotion of the people of Manipur must not also be forgotten. MLA Anand also added that the frequent visit by the union ministers in the state is nothing but a diversion tactics of the central government after the framework agreement signed on August 3 last year. MLA Anand also questioned how BJP Manipur unit is going to do good for the state when they join hand with the Naga People's Front in the centre.
Chingda BJP ka NPF ka marup oy sasan paiminari council ki da tai miyam da Manipur thugai din hairib duka Manipur kanne na so ki Manipur state ki unit ki BJP do kyam sang sabina yado no sine no tamjani ki they are answerable answer tawninge Manipur ki koi na sasan tawjaba matam da khut thekjalakpa makhut kak pai se koi warib na se bai thamjarum ke Manipur sasan pi gari Manipur miyam ki damukta Chingbi Tami Chilnao with the protect the good habits as a majority community when I see a Lautung Sadi. Nagland give me the Laga Manipurgi, Manipur the Labor, Tuan Mayam Sanji protection, big of Nate, a quick Maui be me Mamma Togiba, Irang Labor the Nagland put you give them the Changla Kitab Dog winning Jamato directly, Pyraman Maya the Kadian Paman give a dog, quitting Sigmund of Changi and the Kali.
While Chief Minister Okrami will be saying accompanied by a team of officers yesterday inspected the construction work of mega tourism project taken up under the financial assistance of Ministry of Tourism, Government of India at Kaina Hills in Imphal District, Imphal East District and Historic Kebaching in Khongjom, Thawbal District. The team first visited Kaina under Andro Assembly Constituency and oversaw the construction of a mandap. Chief Minister also laid the foundation for construction of a new temple at Kaina. Later, the team visited the Kebaching in Khongjom and oversaw the development work on the complex. Mention may be made that the tourist complex at Khongjom is targeted to complete before the Khongjom Day celebration this year. Governor V. Samuganathan has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Nagas, on the occasion of Luing Ai Ni. In his message, the governor said Naga communities celebrate Luing Ai Ni on February 15 every year for a bountiful and bumper harvest. He said apart from deeply rooted traditional and customary practices associated with the festival, it has now gained popularity as a tourist festival where all communities come together to join the festivities. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Gai Khangam also greeted the people on the occasion of Luing Ai Ni. In his message, Gai Khangam hoped for peace and prosperity of Manipur. Now, Opposition MLA Dr. I. Boholbi has expressed grave concern over the notification issued by Manipur Public Service Commission for inviting application for the post of MCS, MPS, SDC, SO in Manipur government from any Indian citizen. Speaking to media, the MLA said if these three words are not removed from the notification, there will be a time when the Manipuris are deprived of their place in the administration of the state. He said the issue arose as the MPSC invited applications from any citizen of India online for this post, and more than 14,000 applications were submitted from other states. He asked how could MPSC commit such a blunder. Iboholbi stated that other states give certain terms and conditions like knowledge of local language, permanent residence to give priority to their people while issuing notification for government jobs. He reiterated if Manipur government does not make changes in the eligibility criteria, the state may face a serious issue as it threatens the quota for scheduled tribes, OBC and general. He urged the government to make changes in the eligibility criteria before holding the examination.
Scheduled tribe ki leijariba quota manga ani mapandi ki lakwa scheduled tribe na dum lauhrani general quota manga ani OBC quota manga ani aduna masi lakwa sina maram moiduna ngasi gi matam khragi matungda Manipur gi lengak sasonda Manipuri machana thaudang logjaram bado matam khragi matungda di masi gi train si sum chatharabadi Manipur gi lebak sasonda Manipur macha gi phida leraroi mafam leraroi aduna yam sathiba issue ma da lakani sarkar na sumasi sungsoi soidana khandabirakani haidana ai khanjai hojiki eligibility criteria si hongdokta tarabasi parikha si tawbidanaba aina ai sarkar gi mafam su thamjaningi.
Meitei Nationalist Students Union of India, MNSUI, a student wing of MNP, Meitei Nationalist Party, was formed in New Delhi with the approval of the founding president of Meitei Nationalist Party, B. Angoshana Sharma. Thaudam Sachin Kumar of Delhi University has been appointed first national president of MNSUI. The headquarters of MNSUI will be in New Delhi. A discussion on population influx and NRC and Tripura merger agreement 1949 was held on the second day of Tripura chapter of Northeast Indigenous Peoples Parliament. The parliament is jointly organized by Tripura People's Front and Tripura Students Federation on the theme The Survival of the Sons of the Soil at the headquarters of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council under the sponsorship of Working Committee Northeast Indigenous Peoples Parliament. Delegates also unanimously resolved to further work together to protect the indigenous people of the Northeast. Members of Uripok Nupi Apunbalub Unal yesterday tore up the signboard of Ramakrishna Mission School at Uripok Tondonsana High School, demanding that the school cannot be established on Tondonsana High School campus. They burned the signboard. The incident took place around 5 in the evening on Uripok Tondonsana High School campus. Dalit Sahita National Conference 2016 was today held at Manipur Press Club. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Awards were also presented to various personalities in recognition of their exceptional contribution in the field of social work, literature, art and culture, agriculture, industry, human rights and theatre. The awards were presented by Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Maina. A monthly journal of women and crime in Manipur, Ipudhau Wari Lirage Ishusa, was also released on the occasion. National Secretary, Dalit Sahitya Academy, Y. Mahendra Kumar, urged the gathering to avail the benefits given by the Government of India for the downtrodden people of the society and bring about a meaningful life.
Manipur leribsi tolat taraba khoi mayam ama leribsi khitang khoi encourage oina ba improve oina ba khoi na hak khara mayam dagi mullaga khoi na lawraga wanjaning masi lai ai khoi gi demand mayam ama leijaraga su pirak drise mun ma sanga ba adoi ai khoi na demand si tawdring gi di phangro adoi khoi sapu ma sanga ba sapu si chap mana ba khoi dalit samaj na inkhaler ga si piga dabni si tawgadamni chahi tara gi ni ma khoi na reservation gi pot piri si so adu bu chahi tara se kayarak hogre chahi angkai hu hogram na adum namsalatam masi bureaucrat sing arigi samaj gi tholei ba khoi gi elected person sing ma khoi na su khanbi ba se wat pa gi ne ba
maru masi karamba minung sina ngathok sige aibu maru shiksinda basu yadaba mata ithanungda chena pulare numit kumna wangna nangi naktanong laina noktuna purali nang sho hingumi kukhuding khaurangna hingbai haina bido maru aikhoi nga thok sanaba baza airlines ta sinabi dun hingbiu matam pumbu de hingbiu kari so wa balaita
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na jingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingzagan ngasimag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic MZ Avenue Imphal.
Pauzen Zaba Lengsen Biraksi Imalai Sem Inat Loisangi Chatkoi Salai Sangda Nizari Icha Isubu Senkat Sagacharapada Imalai Sem Inat Loisangsu Thaudang Yazage Nauzariba Ichaningol Piba Pumna Maputam Hanzari Laisu Taksi Khasi Thangta Chatkoi Pungisai Kongjom Saisak Amadi Maitegi Chatna Liklam Nongmaizing Numitki Ayuki Pungja Taretagi Pungja Tara Faubadangni Adongi icha adongi isu aikoi su ichani isuni piklingai dagi mau lingbana mapal ningthi na sat mahai soidana yangani pauzen jariba imalai sem inat loisang panthau isai konung wangkhai hizam leirak Imphal nongpo
Iramda masigi ahan boina puthokjaba sangai plastic storage tank sizinnabi
yansinaba potlam yaudriba LLDP ina sajaba sangai de sizinnabi fangbigidaba sizingdi 200 300 500 750 1000 1500 amashung 2000 liter ni
chahi taragi guarantee ga loinana khenaba makhal khudingi apamba machu sing phambigani
SRL Diagnostic Limited, trusted by millions. India's largest pathology lab network with more than 12 reference lab and 200 diagnostic centers and more than 1,000 collection centers all over India and abroad, now in Manipur at Rims Road, Lalambung Makong, managed by Padma Diagnostic Center. Consistently serving the people of Manipur since last 4 years with quality diagnostic facilities and services for blood tests, ultrasound, echocardiography, EEG, ECG, treadmill, lung function test, spirometry, 24 hours Holter ECG. First installation of DEXA scan in Manipur for bone densitometry examination, and second installation of digital mammography for breast cancer detection with reporting facilities by expert international radiologist based at Bangalore through teleradiology. Only standalone diagnostic center with 24/7 services and facilities for home collections of samples and report delivery. Full 24/7 portable X-ray facilities for immobile patients at your doorstep, and provision for routine test facilities during non-rush evening hours and executive health checkups. Friendly and warm staff and alert SMS facilities for online report delivery on your smartphones. You can also download the report using My SRL application. Drop in today at SRL Diagnostic Limited, care of Padma Diagnostic Center, Rims Road, Lalambung Makong. Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
이름도 마시기 한 보이는 부톡자바 상하이 플라스틱 스토리지 땡 시즌나비
양신나바 potlam yaudriba LLDPE na sajaba sangaide sizinnabi fangbigadaba sizingdi 200, 300, 500, 750, 1000, 1500 amashung 2000 liter ni
chahi taragi guarantee ga loinana khenaba makal kudingi apamba machusin phambigani
खुरुमजरी सीज मणिपुर एम्बुलेंस सर्विस अदोंगी कमदों मतेंग पांगसीगे
मानो नुंतगी चारिब मरु मरांग याव चिंजाक सिंग सियंग मसिन हक्चांगी पांगल अमदे लिवर सोहन बतनतना पुक नाबा एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबन चिंबा क्या नारकलिया
इमाना पिरक हक्चांग ngakthoknaba hidak lairisidi lipse namanaba singa nungtiri party sanga chadrabadi sukya magyadabra adumna khangdra male masina puknaba thinbagi awaba thohanba yai
लिपसब नुंतगी चाबना एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबा खोंग हाबा यादबा फली अदुगा चाकसु लामले
liver bu farabadi punsisu super hit oiri.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawang Kimcha. Managing Director of EPH Thrift and Credit Cooperative Society Limited, Changangai Maning Lekai Chingtham Dharmender stated that the deposit of the staff members will be refunded according to the terms and conditions of the society. Speaking to media today, Chingtham Dharmender refuted allegations by his staff that he used foul languages to them. He also clarified that those who have claimed to have resigned have not submitted their resignation letters and ID cards to him.
Ofiski tam en condition gi matung ina thongkiba deposit adu matam chana refundable togjagani aduga thabak topi karaba sin nausina toke haina khambia kanu sangbia kho nungsi chanana loina minasi thabak punna tomina kisi songi deposit chu matam chana lokthokpiyu.
Mohandas, a novel translated into Manipuri, was released today at Dave Literature Center on DM College campus. Dr. R.K. Mobi translated the Hindi novella written by Sahitya Academy Award winner into Manipuri. The book is published by R.K. Ulan Singh on behalf of Manipur Literary Society. Uday Prakash is a Hindi poet, scholar and a journalist. A garden called Awun Ching, The Great Escape, was today inaugurated at Paidinga, Imphal West. Parliamentary Secretary M. Prithviraj Singh and MLA O. Landhoni Devi inaugurated the garden. The garden is developed by the canes of Rajkumar Sanayaima and Ningthemcha Ongbi Brajamani Devi from 2004. The garden has a children park, a restaurant, boating facilities and rest houses. Top civil and police officers of Manipur also took part in the inauguration. And a shopping complex called City Galleria was opened today at Mantripurkhi. Opening the shopping complex, Kairao MLA Karam Thamarjit said Verita Furniture open in the complex will provide affordable furniture and family restaurant. Illusion Fine Dining will serve the food enthusiasts of the state.
Hana chanarambana kuna order tawgraga marakta mu yengba chatpa matha mu chatpa kaima shoiramba ju yawba paisa effort to busu ngamda busu yawba habis tu khitang filter tawnaba ready stock thame harga kudong chapina bani koi manipur de su ugi pothok furniture je phajana di suba phajana kano to puthok pudi ngamba dubu moje khar seasonal oiba order phangagana hek suba phangdana hek tokpa adungba workers haigadra handicraft to haigadra masagi haithoi singjob kamu ju yokhot piraga stock sing adu local product ju side by side promotion toksangin pandamda hangbadungma very tough furniture ni.
Lifesavers Manipur, Department of IHBT, RIMS, State Blood Transfusion Council Manipur, Lions Club of Imphal Greater and Civil Hospital and Assisted Reproductive Center, Kumbiri Kaitel, RIMS Southgate, Imphal, today jointly organized a voluntary blood donation camp at RIMS and Jenims. About 50 volunteers donated blood at the camps. Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo Singh today inaugurated a community hall at Sagolban Mutum Laikai, Lairembi Lampak. The community hall is constructed under the financial assistance of Local Area Development Fund and Manipur Development Society.
Nani ngasai ang chief se kai salui no?
Ay siday kudo oma laurubane.
Sidagi kai kudo no?
To.
Haima, yam phasaye. Ay pame kamai tawdo no?
Nangna hausi apambado khudakta sahaba yarani.
As thing chatlas law.
Yani.
Asembero la o adudi.
Lengshin Birau, Momota Jewelry, Nikokong Baja Wat number 2 na. Pongjare, Miam Gidamak second edition catalog. Larika Sigi Manunda, bracket question door Laiva, Western View over the Jansin Asi, customer da Awaba Pidana, Atian Mamatam Manunda, Haivadi, Pungamagi Manunda, Miamda, Sanagi, Magun Hunter than a Pibi Kudong Java, Momota Jewelry in a Pijari. High River Kudong Java Silobu, Adobe Pazaba the Magun Happy.
Sidiam Pazaye, Nai Bagam da Kangodi. Asisi atopa kudong saba mapam atay kai da laige.
Adubudine. Impangi masaji rota laiba Rachid Jewelry da masigi kudong saba singse loina pangne.
Ama asemira.
Loina na masjid rota laiba Rachid Jewelry da su.
Memagi sing thakpiriba masung yonbiriba sing da pizaba akhanaba khudol. Mema package drinking water gi liter kungi singi jar gi makhungi mathakta mema thaba apikpa token nama yauriba adu segaiba yaudaba masin kun manga subada mema gi ising yonba dukan amada hekta pisilaga liter kungi singi jar ama lemna labiyu yoliba dukan mapu nasu token masin kun manga adu ising thilakpa mema gi agent amada piraga dukan gi liter kungi singi jar ama amasung thakliba customer gi amaga punna isingi jar ani lemna labiyu. Mema packaged drinking water ase Ministry of Water Resources, Central Groundwater Board, Government of Indiana test tauraba Manipur gi amata ngairaba packaged drinking water ni. Mema gi ising di jingi nung maraktagi chen tharakpa leimakhong turel gi mahik matang chen daba asengba ising ni. Mema gi ising thakpana tongan ba laina sing diabetes, cancer, heart naba, bibi na jingbadagi ngakthokpada chawna mating pangi. Ising asi yonbadagi fanglakpa sendong singi chada yangkai S Mema Devi Memorial Trust piraga mimana draba miyoi singi pension kanalaiza draba lukrabi tarada chahi khudingi piba selgi tengbang chahi humpu helabi lukrabi chama da tha khudingi piba pension amasung matamatanggi oiba lebaki awana singa mateng piri Mema package drinking water sungbiba machine German technology ni khwaidagi nauna puthok chaba Mema package drinking water thakpiyu Nolukcharibi, T.S. Tamphamani alias Thoi Devi, Manager, Mema Package Drinking Water, kay Sampat Laimajam Laikai. Sangai Honda. Anova car showroom asida Honda gi car makhal sing suna leizare. stylish sedan thau chadaba amadi performance Guinness World Record chaliba Honda Amaze. Petrol dana liter amana kilometer 19 thauba yaraba, diesel dana liter amada kilometer 15.9 thauba yaraba car ni. Mathangda 4th generation Honda All New City. Manung chawba automatic AC oiba, pedal shift amadi cruise control, advanced integrated audio oiba adugumba Honda gi car ni. Car isisu diesel amasung petrol animakta fangani. Showroom asida leizare Honda Mobilio RS. Mi tare tongba yaraba, makhal kudimakta sizinaba yaraba, multi-utility vehicle. Touchscreen, audio visual amasung navigation system yaraba, Honda gi akhanaba car makhal amani. Family pull-up tongduna koiba chatminaba yaraba, Honda Mobilio ni. Car isisu petrol amasung diesel animakta fangbigani. Ngasi malengsin biraksi ghari airport road ta nauna hangdok chaba Sangai Honda. Honda gi ano car makhalsing suna fangbigani. Sangai Honda ghari airport road Imphal.
Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Government of India Enterprises की lubricant सिंह हौजी मणिपुर दा कंगलेपाक lubricant ना distributor ओइदुना कंगलेपाक मियामगी याइफनबगीदमक गाड़ी मखल खुदिनगी lubricant सिंह coolant 2-3 wheeler engine oil passenger cars petrol diesel engine oil heavy duty vehicle engine oil brake oil steering oil gear oil industrial oil transformer oil pump set oil bitumen na chingba high speed lubricant सिंह सिजनरबदी अदोंगी गाड़ी की engine Mapangal punsi hinggat hari lubricant sin asi Kangleipak lubricant Kansipurda hambigani
Hindustan Petroleum. Impact TV na leptana sandokchariba panthogi pautak amasung panthogi wakhalon hairiba thorom asibu midyeng tabiriba khwai khibikna panthoda hangat ningba wahang khangningba wafam leibiragadi ekoigi mobile number 8256994851 da adumgi ming amadi leifam mayek seng na hapiraga SMS ki khuthangda yahunbirakpa yagani.
Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited na miyam da nungairaba pausel. Credit Link Subsidy Scheme CLSS under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY Housing for All by 2022 haiba mission asiga loinana handakta 17 June 2015 da loans tawkraba scheme asigi makhada Northeastern Region of India ki ahanba IFC license holder oikraba amadi lising ani sumna taramanga gi December ki tang 19 da Ministry of Finance Government of India na recognition pirakhraba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited PSFCL uripok Imphal na lamdam sida leiriba paka building oina yum sabidriba imung sing aduga saba loisindana leiriba yum sing loinana room extension repairing renovation na chingba sing asigi damakta lupa lakh ani lising kun gi subsidy yauraba loan gi processing fee na chingba sing shooting laroidaba asuki mati kanaraba housing loan gi khudong chaba sing pijari hairiba loan sing asigi damakta sarkar gi thabak tobidaba khudingmakna thabirakpa yagani land owner adu hanadi housewife ki mingda leigadabani hairamba adu hojikti housewife natragana husband gi mingda leibada garisu akaiba leitre en akupa Gidamak office award ayuki pung taramathui tagi nungthil gi pung ahum phawgi manungda office ta lakpiduna khambiba yagani term and condition applied khanganjariba TS Hemo Singh chairman and managing director Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited PHFCL near flyover Uripuktora Mamlaika Imphal Manipur.
National Highway 102 Imphal Mori Road is one of the important lifelines of the state. However, around 220 meters of road stretch of the highway road near Technopole police station is in deplorable condition. There is no blacktopping on the road. Moreover, locals have expressed their fear that during rainy season, the road stretch will cave in. Meitei Council More President Mayang Lambam Thoiba Singha today urged the state government to repair the road stretch before arrival of rainy season. He said landslide will occur in rainy season and the road will cave in. This will prevent any vehicular movement which will cut off the lifeline of the state.
Technopole की मयादा लैबा लंबी सी यामना खुदोंग थीरे हारिबा लंबी सी मणिपुर सरकारना अभी मतमदा पुलिंग चिंजिनगो सेंबीदबा तारगदि नोंजु थायरपा हारिबा लंबी सी निखाइरगनि लंबी सी निखाइबा मतमदा अदा हुजुजि लैबा तंपाक मोरेगसि सोजनमकि समनररोय मतमदुदा मोरेदा लैबा प्रजासिंग से को फंगना वागनि मरमदुना मणिपुर सरकारना मरी लैनबा डिपार्टमेंट तौरगा हारिबा लंबी सी अथु मतमदा सेंबिनरोगदमक्ता मणिपुर सरकार की पुलिंग चिंजिदबा.
Meanwhile, road stretch of National Highway 102 in front of Meitei Council Mori is flooded with sewers and waste materials due to a damaged culvert in front of Meitei Council Mori office. The sewage and waste material from Mori Ward number 8 is causing inconveniences to locals. Meitei Council Mori President Mayang Lambam Thoiba Singh has said the road is used by state and national VIPs who visit Mori. He said many VIPs have expressed their displeasure over the condition of the road. Now in sports news, the Cyclone Thangweman won the second elite cricket tournament organized by Manipur Cricket Association at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground, Luang Sangbam. Cyclone Thangweman defeated Tidim Road Athletic Union Kwagatil by 27 runs in the final match today. Winning the toss, the Cyclone batted first and made 112 runs in 35 overs. In reply, Trau were all out in 32.4 overs, making just 85 runs. Six months of grassroots football coaching program organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground concluded today. The football coaching began on September 27, 2015 and participated by 13 girls and 166 boys from 6 to 12 years. TH Tomba, AFC licensee coach, and grassroots leader coaches El Sanjit, SH Sarat, Mohammad Chawa, W. Samjai and Jimmy trained the young footballers during the program on specific days of the week. Certificates were also distributed to the participants as part of the closing function.
Grassroots program je khoi phiwa gi normal da season araga to apply ngak ne khoi season ari program jing ke maside da garjan gi support ama yam darka oi garjan gi support haibdi angang sing je magi chenabi ba ga loina na angang sing gi matam timing facility me am je tawna bo hone aduga maside tammi ba khoi basic technique me am je khangaraga di ngai gi future da lakada ba angang sing gi pandan sida ningthi jena ngamna na bo hone.
NEYO Sanjindam defeated Koirangai FC by 6-1 in the first state level Sobam Babu Singh Memorial 7-a-side men's open football tournament, while in other matches, UDTCCLS Hangang beat CCGM Kaisampad by 5-2, Puthiva United beat KYFC Kurai by 3-2. The tournament is organized by Ground Development Committee, Moirang Kampu, Sanjib Tinsit Road. FC Lamlai beat FC Telo by 6-5 in a penalty shootout, and STPA Sekta beat PYLA Sekta by 4-1 and have entered into the quarterfinals of the 6th Lamlai Kendra Village-wise Men's Open 7-a-side Chalo Club football tournament. The tournament is organized by Chalo Youth Union Club. NFA Nongrain will play YYC Yorbung. NEYO Sanjinbam will play YPS Lamlai tomorrow. UE Yumnam Lekai beat UKCCL Oinam by 3-0 in the first Youth Integration Club Kaisamthong Maning Longjam Lekai under 21 4 men's side football tournament today. First and second of quarterfinals of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Now before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Nagaland Chief Minister says the 3 anti-tribal bills passed by Manipur Assembly is to consolidate support from the Delhi people. MLA Biren reiterates that any attempt to disintegrate Manipur will be challenged firmly without any hesitation. And MLA Ibohalbe expresses grave concern at Manipur Public Service Commission, inviting applications from any Indian citizen.